Just put it right there. Yeah. And then you can take the box. I think that's a perfume. Who is this in? Oh my gosh. I know. Here. Chismosa. Katrina. She really got noisy with you. That is funny, I never seen that. That's yours. Oh, that's mine? No. But that was yours, I wanted to give it back. I said that's yours, because you left it and I just put it right there. Yeah. You left it on my cart. Oh, I don't know if that was for me, but I said I don't know if that was for me. No, it's the other, it's the thing. The thing. The Hello Kitty thing. I don't remember either. No, you didn't. You're confused. You're still there. My cat, she's like to watch me. That's funny. I know. It's like, what do you have in there? I wanna know. It's a perfume. I waste mine because it smells really good. When I was working, the lights didn't like the smell. They were telling me, you smell good. I put a lot. You know, I wanna get over it. I told you I was planning to do it good.
It's okay, you can probably get it from me later.
Yep.
Make this shorter pants.
And here's my other cat.
Looks pretty.
I think it has a straw in there. You have to check it really good. It's pretty. I like it when it shows on the sun.
Grinch hair. That's all? Oh.
You want more?
Damn, that's all? Or what?
Yeah, that's all.
What's the Oh, did I miss anything?
No.
The last time. Let's see. Where'd you get this one from?
I forgot, but I do have it on the. Oh, you have paint? Oh.
Can't see it.
No, you can put it right there. I don't want to make a mess. You can put it together with the other box as well. That's all.
Well, no,
I don't have no more. You got exciting. I hope you like it, so now you can give it away.
I'll keep it and be able to use it. I really like this because I don't really hold much.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you can use it for water.
Yeah.
I have mine too.
Weekly, maybe what?
Oh. No, you can put it right there. I don't want to make a mess. You can put it together with the other box as well.
Yeah, I remember it. Okay. Big that box.
That's all.
Well, no,
I don't have no more. You got exciting. I hope you like it, so now you can give it away.
I'll keep it since you gave it to me, but I don't really like this because I don't really hold much.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you can use it for water.
Yeah, I can use it for water.
I have mine too.
We see each other maybe what?
Now where am I gonna put this first? Okay. It's green, nice. Purple. Each color?
No, your color's so clear.
Again? Oh my god, this is light purple.
I think that's pink.
Oh. Blue, my favorite color. Nice. Gonna have to wear it with each shirt I have. This is pink. Kind of.
There.
For the coin.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like coin purse, so you put like a lipstick, whatever.
It kind of looks like a avocado.
It is avocado.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks cute.
Yeah.
I like the back.
I wanted to order smaller ones, but I'm like, those were huge. I'm like, what the fuck? And I received them from Amazon.
Oh.
Like at the beans. I just kidding. I just laughed.
One.
I bought like 2 or 3, so I'm like,
I like it.
yeah.
I like the little things. I feel like a little girl.
It's okay, that's all of us.
What is this?
Or you like your nails, you can do your toes, whatever.
Oh, nice. I kind of do something on the phone.
Well, that's what it's for.
What is this?
Those circle things are coasters. I kept the other ones. The one for me, one for you from Crafty Mary. I have posted the video.
For like putting your clothes on it.
Yeah, like for your car.
Oh, nice.
I kept the other one. I don't have a car, but you know, one day. You never know. A miracle happens.
I know. It is cute because I always have to like clean it up.
Yeah.
I do use this a lot. It has the Hello Kitty. Oh, that is cute.
Yeah. I bought me and you one.
Matching.
But I have it,
My name.
yeah. I bought that a long time ago. I gave one to my cousin. My tia, because she started with C too.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like the Hello Kitty ones so cute, and I like the one with names.
Yeah.
Thank
And I have other ones too, but I'll probably do that closer to your birthday.
Okay.
And buy you a matching cup.
So we can match cups. I'm scared.
That was funny. That was funny. I actually got that. For the real.
I'm not scared because I'm like, oh shit, what the heck?
You can use that for your pill, like you have a headache, put in your purse or whatever.
And it's a good
I got a Kuromi one.
Hello Kitty.
They're on special, like 2 for $5, whatever, but I just got 3.
I'm trying not to remember.
It's okay to use a zipper.
I like this thing around.
It's for your hair.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah.
Cute.
I had it, but I'm like, my hair's so frizzy, so
I use it when
it could get stuck in my hair.
Oh, I
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, it's a ojo one, so no te echen ojo.
Para la envidia.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is this?
Oh shit. It's a box cutter.
Oh.
No te vayas a picar. It's the other way. No vas a picar.
What do you mean?
I'm trying to take you to the freaking 911. Se picó la mano.
And what is this for?
They're notepads.
Oh. So little and tiny.
Yeah. I'm not gonna use them, so I know
Oh,
that.
this is so cute. What is this for?
Oh shit.
Oh,
It's a mirror.
I like the little sparkle thing. Cute.
Yeah.
Is that so?
I think so, girl. You see nothing else? I guess so.
Oh, more.
This bitch. You'll get more later.